I know how to do gardening. First, you plant a seed in the compost, bury it, pat it, and then you water it. Then, when it grows, put it in a jar.
What do you put in the jar?
A plant. A plant jar?
A plant jar?
Yeah, a plant jar. You know those little cups that our plants used to be in? Remember that?
Ah. I thought you put the vegetables and the fruit in a jar.
Oh, that's not it.
And what's it called?
Potato plant?
No, what is it that you're doing? What is that called?
Gardening. Gardening?
Gardening? Gardening.
Gardening.
'Cause it's called a garden.
Gardening.
What kind of plants would you want to plant?
Tomato plant. And celery plant?
Celery plants?
It's a joke.
They have celery plants.
And apple plant?
That's a tree. Apples grow on trees.
Apple tree? Banana? Banana plant?
Bananas grow on trees.
Banana tree and
That's
broccoli?
broccoli. Broccoli grows in a plant. Is that all your gardening advice?
Yes. Oh, and one more thing. Grape plant.
Grapes grow on a vine.
Yeah, that's what they call a grape plant.